Welcome back to Colossals Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, so we'll be talking about the second question on the mathematical induction. Don't forget, our second question says 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3 plus dot 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 plus n raised to power 3 equals to what? N squared plus n squared open bracket n plus 1 all squared all over what? All over 4. I get what I'm saying now? All over 4. So now to do this, we already know the first step. So our first step is what? Our first step is to have for what? When n is equal to 1. And don't forget, I told you that for CBT exam, once for your n equal to 1, if they are not equal, you will stop. I get what I'm saying? That means it is not mathematically true. So for this one now, you are going to have 1 raised to power 3 equals to 1 squared open bracket 1 plus 1 all squared all over what? 4. 1 raised to power 3 is 1 equal to 1 raised to power 2 is 1 open bracket 1 plus 1 is what? 2 all raised to power what? 2 over 2. Are you seeing that now? So you just have to be doing it step by step. So this will give us 1 equal to 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is what? This over 4, not 2. So 2 raised to power 2 is what? Is 4 over 4. And that means we are going to have 1 equal to what now? 1. You can see that it is correct here now. So what do we say? You say it is true for what? For n equal to what? 1. Are you seeing that now? So now the next one now, when n equal to what now? K. Are you seeing? So that will now be what? K raised to power 3 equal to what? K squared into bracket k plus 1 squared all over what? 4. Are you seeing that now? Yeah, you don't need to open the bracket. I get what I'm saying? You don't need to open the brackets. So just call this one equation 1. Are you following that now? Remember the way I did that the first time. So call this one equation 1. Then we are assuming it is true for this when n equals to k. So you assume it is true for when n equals to k. So now when n equals to k plus 1 now, when n equal to k plus 1, so what will you have? You are going to have k plus 1 raised to power what now? Raised to power 3 abi equal to what now? Equal to k plus 1 raised to power 2 plus k plus 1 raised to power 2 all over 4. So that will now give us what? K plus 1 raised to power 2 plus, I'm sorry, I forgot, I'm putting plus in all these places. I'm not supposed to have plus. Yeah, this is supposed to be k plus 1 squared. We are just changing this one to k plus 1 now. So k plus 1 squared, then into bracket, this n is now k plus 1, then this one that is here plus 1 raised to power 2. So this will give us over 4, and that will give us what? K plus 1 squared into bracket k plus what? 2 squared over 4. Are you seeing that now? So this is the answer we will get. I get something. So I have k plus 1 raised to power 3. K plus 1 raised to power 3. Are you seeing? So this is the answer I will get in essence. This answer here is what I need to come and have after finishing my solution. So I need to get, don't forget, by the time I will, so what I will do now is I will add k plus 1 raised to power 3 to both sides in this equation 1. I get what I'm saying. I will add k plus 1 raised to power 3 to both sides of this equation 1, and I will make sure that I get this equation star. I get what I'm saying now. So once I get this equation star, then it is mathematically true. All right, so now let us add it to both sides. So I will have I will now say add k plus 1 raised to power 3 to both sides in equation 1. I get what I'm saying. In equation 1, what is equation 1? K raised to power 3 equal to what? K squared into bracket k plus 1 squared. Are you seeing that? So that will now be what? K raised to power 3 plus k plus 1 raised to power 3. Are you seeing that now? Equal to what? K squared into bracket k plus 1 squared over what? Sorry, I forgot to put over 4 in this place. This is having over 4. Yes, this squared, then over 4. Yes, so that will now become k raised to power 3 plus, we are adding the k plus 1 now, k plus 1 raised to power 3. Remember, that's what we are adding to both sides, equal to what? K squared into bracket k plus 1 raised to power 2 over what? Over 4 plus k plus 1 raised to power what now? 3. Are you seeing that now? So you do the LCM. What will be the LCM here? The LCM will be what? 4. So this one will give us k squared into what? K plus 1 all squared plus, 1 in 4 now is what? 4. 4 times what you have here. So this is 4 into bracket what? K plus 1 raised to power what? 3. Are you seeing that now? So this will now become what is common among these two. You can see that k plus 1 is here, k plus 1 square is here, k plus 1 cube is here. That means what is common among them is what? Is k plus 1 squared. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So k plus 1 square is common. What will be left on this part? I will be left with k square. So this is k squared plus what now? 4. I get what I'm saying, into bracket. This is k plus 1 raised to power 3. It will remain 1k plus 1. So k plus 1. Are you seeing that now? All over what now? All over 4. Then now you will now open this bracket. If you open that bracket, you are going to have what we have. So I will have k plus 1 squared into brackets, into the big bracket. Don't forget what we have here. This is what we have. So that will be k squared plus 4k plus 4. So k squared plus 4k plus 4. We just open that bracket. I get what I'm saying. All over what? All over 4. So this will now become what? K plus 1 all squared into brackets. If you factorize this question, that will give us k squared plus 2k plus 2k plus 4. I get what I'm saying now. All over 4. So that will now give us k plus 1 all squared into the big bracket. This will now become what? K plus 2. I get what I'm saying now. K plus 2, k plus 2. I'm sure you know the factorization. That I'm doing there. Alright, what I did, let me explain what I did there. This is what I did here. What is common among this one now? So k is common first. It will remain what? K plus 2. Are you seeing that now? Then on this side, I have what's common also, plus 2. It will also remain k plus 2. I get what I'm saying. So if you join this one together, you will have this k plus 2 first. and if you take one of this, you will have this second k plus 2. So now that means I will have what? K plus 1. Don't forget this k plus 1 all squared into bracket what now? I have k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 2. So that's the same thing as saying k plus 2 all squared over 4. So that means my final answer here now is what? Is k plus 1 all squared into bracket k plus 2 all squared over 4. Now I'm done. You can see that this our equation star now is now the same thing with our previous equation. So you can see that our equation star, this is our equation star, k plus 1 square, k plus 2 square over 4. You can see it is now the same thing with the answer we have here. So since it is the same thing, that means it is true for all n belonging to the set of what? Natural number. Do you understand now? So this is how you solve questions on mathematical induction. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright.